Good morning. Today we will represent exponential equation by equation, table of values, and graph. Points to remember. We have exponential growth if b is greater than 0 and b is not equal to 1. Also, it is an increasing function. And we have exponential decay kapag naman b is greater than 0 but less than 1. And it is a decreasing function. Example number 1, construct a table of values for the given function and plot the points found in the table. So, given the exponential function f of x is equal to 3 raised to x, it is an exponential growth. Since makikita natin na yung base natin, which is 3, is greater than 0 and not equal to 1. And sabi dito, it is an increasing function. And let's check kung sa bawat value ba na i-substitute natin sa function ay palaki ng palaki yung makukuha natin. So let's use the values negative 2, negative 1, 0, 1, and 2. So for negative 2, we have 1 over 9. For negative 1, we have 1/3. For 0, we have 1. For 1, we have 3. And if we substitute 2, we got 9. So, pag na-plot natin siya sa Cartesian plane, we have negative 2, 1 over 9, negative 1, 1 over 3, 0, 1, 1, 3, and 2, 9. So, ito yung magiging graph ng ating exponential function. Example number 2, construct a table of values for the given function and plot the points found in the table. We have f of x is equal to 3 raised to negative x. And this is also equal to 1 over 3 raised to x. And it is a exponential decay since mapapansin natin na yung base natin which is 1/3 ay less than, is greater than 0 but less than 1. And sabi dito, decreasing function siya. Tingnan natin, pag nag-substitute tayo ng value ng x, kung pababa ng pababa yung makukuha natin. So, let's again use the values negative 2, negative 1, 0, 1, and 2. So, pag nag-substitute tayo ng negative 2, meron tayong 9. Negative 1, we have 3. For 0, we have 1. For 1, we have 1/3. And pag 2 yung na-substitute, we have 1 over 9. So, mapapansin, pababa. Therefore, it is a decreasing function. So, plot natin. We have negative 2, 9, negative 1, 3, 0, 1, 1, 1/3, and 2, 1 over 9. So, ito yung magiging itsura ng ating graph. Example number 3, the annual sales at the company are 400,000 pesos in the year 2019 and increasing at the rate of 5% per year. What will be the total amount after 3 years? So, meron tayong formula ng compound interest which is the amount after time, is equal to principal times the quantity 1 plus rate is raised to t or time. So, substitute lang natin yung mga given na meron tayo. Yung principal natin is 400,000 pesos. And our rate of 5%. Then, ang time natin na hinahanap ay after 3 years. So, raised to t lang muna tayo. Since kailangan natin ng model. So, using this model, at pag nag-substitute tayo ng 0, so yung initial pa lang, then after 1 year, after 2 years, then after 3 years. So, initially, we have 400,000 pesos. After a year, we have 420,000 pesos. After 2 years, we have 441,000 pesos. And makalipas ang 3 taon, meron tayong 463,050 pesos. Thus, kung mapapansin natin, pataas ng pataas yung value na nakukuha natin, it is an increasing function. So, i-plot natin sa Cartesian plane, we have 0, 400,000, 1, 420,000, 2, 441,000, and 3, 463,050 pesos. So, ito yung magiging itsura ng ating graph. Pataas pa yan, pataas. Example number 4, Mang Leonardo bought his son a motorcycle worth 125,000 pesos. But father and son plan to sell the same motorcycle after 3 years. The value of the motorcycle depreciates at 5% per annum. How much would be the value of the motorcycle after 3 years? So, using the same formula for compound, but dito sa ating problem, it says depreciates. Therefore, ang gagamitin natin ay 1 minus r. So, the amount is equal to 125,000 times the quantity 1 minus 0.05 raised to t. So, hindi pa natin sa-substitute yung 3 since kailangan natin ng model. Therefore, we have the amount is equal to 125,000 times 0.95 raised to t. So, initially, we have 125,000 pesos. After a year, ang magiging price na lang ng motorcycle ay 118,750 pesos. After 2 years, 112,812 pesos and 50 centavos na lang yung halaga ng motorcycle. And after 3 years, we have 107,171 pesos and 88 centavos na lang yung magiging halaga ng motorcycle. Since kung mapapansin, pababa ng pababa yung nakukuha nating value as we substitute or habang pataas ng pataas yung taon, pababa ng pababa yung value. Therefore, it is a decreasing function. So, pag na-plot natin, sa Cartesian plane, we have 0, 125,000, 1, 118,750 pesos. We have 2, 112,812 pesos and 50 centavos. And 3, 107,171 pesos and 88 centavos. So, ganito yung magiging itsura ng graph natin.